For sale, 1968 big block S code GT Fastback survivor car. All original body panels front to back, mostly original paint. Got a weird dent right there, one above and one below. Don't ask me how that happened. No bondo on the car anywhere. Real solid underneath, runs and drives. Original GT 390 engine. Stock air cleaner comes with it. That's the original carburetor. Correct date code. Car was finished on the Marti report December 19th, 1967. Block casting date is October, I just figured it out, I think it was October 6th of 67. So it's original engine for sure. Still has a cast iron 4-barrel intake. Lady owned it for almost its entire life. Got the original radiator, looks like it was redone. Never been wrecked. All original glass on the car, front to back. Brand new power brake booster, brand new master cylinder, new plug wires, fuel pump, fan belts. Body buck tags in place. Got the vent up here on the dash. Still has the rubber falling apart. It's still there. Interior is all original, never been redone. Original upholstery. Got some tears on the seat there and a little one over there. Carpet's all original. No speaker holes. It's got the rarest option that ever came on a 67, 68 rear window defogger. Back seat's in good shape. $93,000 original miles. Factory Tach. Factory AM 8-track. Still works. It's got the upper and lower consoles. Headliner's in really good shape. Dash pad must have been replaced. It's real soft and looks beautiful. There's a window defogger switch right there next to the fog lamps. 2-speed. Inside the trunk looks good. It's got a brand new gas tank. Original rear quarters. The only rust I can find on the entire car is a tiny bit right here, right here, right here, this area. Besides that, I can't find any anywhere. There's the defroster motor. Never seen one before. I've had hundreds of Mustangs. That and the factory cruise control are probably the rarest two options, but I've seen the cruise control a couple times. Underside looks really good. Just light surface rust. No jack marks whatsoever on the frame rails. Real GT.
Some dirt on
Going for a test drive. 1968 Mustang.
cold start.
Starts right up. Tach works. There's the ultra rare rear window defogger. Still works. Never seen one before. I bet you won't that. Just tell me which way we're going.
You're gonna go that way. Clear.
Straight.
Just don't lay rubber on my street.
Am I going straight or turning?
You're gonna go straight. Go out to the light and then turn left. I'm gonna get pictures of you of the car.
That's on State College.
Yeah. We're gonna take State College up to Lambert, turn left again. And there's a school with a park off Tamarack.
Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't order with power steering.
Watch this dip right here. Yo, thank you, back.
I didn't even see it. Turn left.
Yes.
Going left at the signal or straight?
Yeah, left.
Brakes don't feel perfect. Did you check the actual brake?
Yeah, he said there was pads left. He wanted to wait till the...
Because with the new power brake booster and new master cylinder, the pedal should feel better than it does.
It is new,
No, I know that.
but he said he told me to wait till I put new tires on it and did the suspension work.
Oh, they want to put
888-792-2929.
factory AM, FM 8-track. Still works.
Ladies, it's time.
Mustang emblem right there.
There's a lot of play in the
Oh, yeah.
steering.
Yep. Sure is. It's a 1968 car. Obviously, no power steering.
I noticed that right away.
So you're gonna go past the light and turn right. Past the light.
Second there, over there. Go past the light.
Yep. And then we're gonna get in the right lane. Actually,
We can turn that off. I'm gonna do walk around video too.
yeah.
Here's the Marti report. Deluxe red interior, 325 posi, rear window defogger. Check it out. Only 23 cars came with the candy apple red with the red deluxe interior. These brand new front and rear Scott Drake shocks go with the car also. Underside's really clean. It's got some light surface rust. Car's never been wrecked, front or back.